Hey, okay, this time we got a 2017 Lexus RX 350. It's pretty much the same as most of that generation Toyota. I don't want to start it. I guess I could. I can reset it with it running, but let's just reverse back there. We're going to use these arrows to reset this. I might have to start it. It wants me to jump in there. We're gonna go to that wheel and then start scrolling down the vehicle settings, and then push. You know what? I am gonna start it because it keeps wanting timing out on me. So it says it's time to see your dealer. And no one wants to do that. So like I said, I scrolled into the little gear looking thing, scrolled down to vehicle settings, entered, and we'll scroll down to, this one has scheduled maintenance and oil maintenance, so I'm going to clear them both. Select that, yes. That one's done, so now I got to back up, and I'm going to go down to oil maintenance. Select yes, we'll set yes, and another one bites the dust. All right, so that's your 2017 Lexus RX. Have a good day, guys.